Hello, I'm Roger Nelson, creator of the Ichiwa Manifestation Device. Welcome to this brief introduction to the Ichiwa energy of adventure. Ichiwa functions out of four fundamental energies, all represented in the Ichiwa Power Blossom logo. Adventure is the yellow energy petal of the Power Blossom. Aligning your intentions with your personal values is extremely important in getting a clear message out to the universe about what you want to manifest in your life. Ichiwa focuses manifestation energies based on your values, and I'm hugely proud that Ichiwa is a value-centered manifestation device. The ancient philosopher Thales, Greek philosopher Thales, said the most difficult thing in life is to know yourself. And he's right, that is a hard thing to do sometimes. But Ichiwa comes with a solution to make that a little simpler. It's an Ichiwa request analyzer, and it's a simple way and an easy way to figure out which of the fundamental energies you want the universe to make the primary energy in manifesting whatever your current intention is. So it's no longer, to get a handle on manifesting the life you want, it's not necessary to put yourself into seclusion, floating for several days in a sensory deprivation chamber. Just get your Ichiwa request analyzer, flick these flaps while contemplating your intention, and in a matter of minutes, you'll have an intention that's aligned to your values. In the Ichiwa system, adventure is a high-level category holding all of the energies of life experiences and all of the energies of events. When you want to manifest the life experiences you desire in your life, and you want to manifest the events you desire to have in your life, you'll be working with the Ichiwa energy of adventure.